A client called my office recently and they were riding a motorcycle and they came across a construction zone. And in that construction zone, part of the roadway, the actual in the middle of the lane, there was about a 2.5, maybe 3-inch difference between the sides of the lane. And it's from something called cold planing. And that's when you go and resurface a road, and the construction company who's doing it is going to shave down the old road and put down new asphalt. And they're supposed to, in the standard plans from the state of California, which mandates this, they're supposed to build what's called a taper. So they make a smooth, they just add asphalt where the different elevation sizes are, and they add that taper, and a motorcycle rider should be able to safely traverse, hypothetically, safely traverse that lane difference, mid-lane elevation difference. They're really, really dangerous. And I've had a lot of cases over the years where motorcycle riders go down because of these mid-lane elevation changes or bumps that aren't protected, or if there's a bump that's lateral across the road or horizontal, you want to be able to have that tapered. And if the company that has the construction project doesn't put that taper, they are liable for it. And I have sued a lot of construction companies in Northern California, it's for down to San Jose even, over this very issue. And so the important thing that I wanted to share that I think is very vital is that construction projects, when there are crashes in construction projects, particularly when there's active paving, the conditions that cause the actual crash are going to change. So it's vital that you take photographs. You, your loved one's family, if someone ends up in the hospital because of getting hurt in a construction zone, they have to go back as soon as possible or call our office and we'll send an investigator, or I'll go out myself. But we got to get photos of it right away. If we don't have photos, the conditions are going to change. They're going to repave that portion of the road. They're going to move the traffic control devices, the cones, the delineators, all the stuff that's there to protect members of the traveling public. They're going to move that stuff. And if they do, you could lose the chance to have your case evaluated, and you have the chance to even have a case. Because these cases, if you get hurt on a motorcycle, as you know, they're usually really bad injuries. And I've had people have had horrendous injuries in construction zones. So it's very important that you document the scene. If you've been injured in a construction zone, either on a motorcycle through a mid-lane elevation difference or from faulty cones or faulty direction, and you get injured, give us a call at Law Offices at J. Crisp. Thanks.